We are man down.
Well, man down.
We are, yes. Mum is visiting a client and it's going to take a little bit longer because of, well, medical emergency really, isn't
Medical
it?
emergency, yes.
So
yeah.
Dad and I thought
it's
we
an
would...
unknown quantity.
Yes. Dad and I thought we'd do calendars with you today and then Mum can catch up on gin tomorrow because she's already about 5 gins behind, so what's one extra?
And I don't drink gin.
No.
Well, I don't drink, so
no.
there you go.
No. So anyway, 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas! Who's
Merry
surprised
Vlogmas.
that it was... Oh. Day 18 and we
just
got
came
one!
out. Yeah.
You're suggestible. Right, okay, so my turn. You got to...
I've got to...
help and hold. So I think, yes, so the bottom. It's much easier when there's less presents in there.
Oh, the days are running out.
They are.
I know.
This is definitely buttons. Do you want to do the squeeze test?
I do a squeeze as well, do I?
Fill in for Mum. I think that's buttons.
Could be licorice.
Have you got any of your licorice left that she
No.
sent you? Was that a silly question?
Yes. Delicious.
Oh, it's definitely buttons. Oh, it's fairly chunky buttons because there's 5. She's sellotaped it.
No scissors.
Well as ever. Oh, trying to fight my way in. Oh, I like those.
Rather nice. Amber.
I think they're a cardigan button. Focus. There we go, it focused. Aren't they pretty? I like those a lot. Thank you. Right. So we haven't had gin time for story reading.
No, right, we're going to find 3 empty frames, apparently.
Oh, hang on, we're not in focus anymore. It focused on the buttons and it forgot about the faces.
Okay.
3 empty frames. Okay,
3
where is 18? Oh,
up here.
in the corner.
Yeah. Ooh.
There's walnuts though. Oh,
Oh,
you right?
oh, my ankle just gave way.
That's no good. Okay.
Right. Crikey, they all look so alike. You need to find 3 of them.
Okay.
What are they?
Oh, there's a picture of a hat on the floor with it crossed out. I think this has got something to do with
the box?
The pictures, because there's this one as well.
Ah, right, yeah.
It's got little, I think it might be the pictures. Looks like it's in the garden or a greenhouse. Yeah, we're in a greenhouse.
It's a garden, no greenhouse there.
What's on the? Oh, is it seals? Because there's one in there that's got
There's one there with a seal.
That's a seal. The one in there.
So we're completing a face. I would
just
imagine.
Whacked my forehead on my laptop. Ow!
You couldn't do that again if you tried. I'm not saying a word. I think we've got to add to that face. Turn it over.
There's one. That's glasses.
Yeah.
The other one was a hat. So there are 3. So they aren't wearing a hat, they aren't wearing a beard, and they aren't wearing glasses. Oh, they are wearing a beard.
Yeah, so it's Father Christmas, isn't it?
But where did we get the cards from? Where did we get that from? Was that... Please turn the page. It would help if somebody read the instructions.
Right. I'll say nothing about you knocking your head. You'll say nothing about this. Okay.
Blue. Oh, okay. Blue is 0.
That was a good one.
I like that one. Once we worked out what we were doing.
Yeah. Well done.
Did I show you the...
Well done, me.
It would have helped to know that we had a page to work from.
It was on the back of the page.
So do you think it's probably going to be you and me for dinner this evening?
Almost certainly.
Okay.
So I'm not going to do what I was going to do, which was a nice little rack of lamb. So
sad.
no, cheese on toast.
Happy. Ooh,
Rack of lamb tomorrow.
That's good.
Mum's here tomorrow,
Yes.
isn't she? Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to give you a kitten update. These two have had a very hard morning of waking people up early, creating chaos, and generally being underfoot. So they clearly need to rest and recuperate for second shift this afternoon. So I can go back to the start of my day where I am going to, fingers crossed, get the goldfish dress or dresses complete. Wish us luck. Wish me luck.
And I'm going to watch a technique YouTube.
Ooh. Ooh. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay. See you in a bit.
You hadn't asked me technique for what?
Oil pastels, right?
Oil pastels.
Oil pastels.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I have brought down my goldfish dress, and the very first thing that I needed to check was that I had enough matching buttons to put the buttons on the cuffs of the long sleeves if I do decide to add them to this dress. I think I remember as well this dress might need an extra buttonhole, put one button up, because I think it is very low cut, more so than it should be, although I am going to try it on and see if I do want to put that buttonhole in, which means I need 5 buttons at least, which I have, which is awesome. So that can definitely, or the sleeves can definitely be put onto that dress if they work out. I've also put on the very first 5951 that I made because I want to be able to make the sleeves and put them over this dress and pin them on just to see what it looks like with the long sleeves, because it might look fabulous and I might be worrying about nothing. Obviously not the prints, but you know, the dress, it might be absolutely fabulous, and then I would have like a winter or autumn winter dress, and then this can be my spring summer dress, because I do love it as is, and I am not looking forward to putting on the or taking it, unpicking everything and putting the sleeves onto this if I have to, because I have pinked the armhole seams to within an inch of their life, so it's going to be fiddly. Not impossible, but just fiddly. So yeah, I'm going to start sewing the 5951 dress today. I got the skirt and the petticoat finished yesterday, and I got all my other bits of like white sewing done. So that's the 8577 with its bodice fully complete, and the bodice, the 8577 lining skirt is over there. Shirt is right here. Then we've got Sorrento, which has been cut out for like 7 months. Really need to get on with that. Then we have the remainder of the 8577. So the first thing I'm going to do is the sleeves, because if I decide that they look good on this dress, then I need to know that before I sew up the side seams. And if I decide that they don't look good on this dress, I need to cut out the little cap sleeves pattern, which I do have enough fabric for, and I need to do that before I sew up the side seams of the bodice. So sleeves first, which does mean I need some interfacing as well, so I'm going to get that cut out. I will report back later and let you know how it's all gone. I have a feeling I'm going to be doing some unpicking. I think I am. Procrastination is not going to get that done, so let's get on and get that done. I have sleeves, and oh, hello. Apparently I also have destructive tendencies. Okay, let me move you back a little. I have sleeves, and I actually kind of think I love them on this dress. I mean, obviously the print is not the same. You can see that, I know this. But I think I really like them. I think I'm going to put these onto the bodice that I've cut out, which is great because it means I don't have to do an alteration, and I can just get on and get this dress finished. But actually I really like this combination. Yay! Oh, that's awesome, because I hate alterations. I was gonna do it, but I don't think I need to. By the time you see this, I will have finished this dress. Fingers crossed. So yeah, if you don't agree with me, just think it, don't let me know. But I think I really like this combo together. These are the sleeves from the 9006 top, and I have added 2 inches of width to them and a couple of inches of length, just so that they don't kind of completely ride up when I do this in them. So they're very, very big and bishopy, but I like it. I do like it. This is good. Right, so now I can get on and make the bodice. I will be right back. So Mum actually made it home early, which is brilliant because it means that the lady that she was with is actually okay. They did all the things that they needed to do at her house rather than taking her in, because apparently there was a 6-hour wait at A&E and that she would have been waiting in the back of the ambulance rather than anywhere else. That was the situation. So she has a doctor coming out to her tomorrow. She has somebody staying with her overnight, so that's all as good as it can be, obviously. But it does mean that we get lamb chops tonight, which is very exciting because Dad's lamb chops are amazing, and that might sound very frivolous to be excited about that, but it is because the lady's okay. It does mean that dinner is almost ready though, so I have got all the darts sewn in the back pieces and the front pieces of both the outer and the lining. Not pressed yet, but I think this is going to be the one where the actual ruching or the gathering into the darts is actually going to show up a little bit more, because the majority of these dresses, like this detail doesn't show up that much, especially with the fabrics that I pick, because I always really like a print. So yeah, I've got all the darts sewn in. I've got the interfacing attached to the centre back seam on the outer bodice. So basically all I need to do is sew that all together. But as I say, I'm going to call it a night for now because food, and exciting food. So I hope you've enjoyed the tiny little bit of film today, and I will see you all tomorrow for a finished dress. Well, almost finished dress, because obviously it needs to drop on the bias, but the skirt which is hanging up back there, almost finished dress, and then fingers crossed we shall move on to a shirt, because that would be lovely to get that finished as well. So I'm going to stop waffling at you, and I will see you tomorrow for all of those things. Bye.